Pioneers within the HVAC industry, this family-owned manufacturer offers technically advanced, high-quality air conditioning, ventilation, and heating products. Designed using innovative technology combined with simplicity, their high-quality modular solutions have made them one of the fastest-growing companies in the world. Join us in Buford, Georgia, and meet VTS America.
VTS America is a branch of the VTS Group Corporation and serves the North, Central, and South America's territory and provides the HVAC market with commercial and industrial air handlers. What makes VTS a unique company, besides the design of the products, is that we found a way to create a very reliable, scalable, and robust logistics system that can be applied in any part of the world.
VTS America is a semi-custom modular central station air handling unit manufacturer. We have 15 unit models ranging from 800 to 38,000 CFM, delivering heating, fresh air, and cooling to educational, industrial, and institutional facilities. Our most recent innovation is our newly expanded AVS vertical line. Previously, these were 6 models ranging from 800 to 4,000 CFM. Now we've expanded that from 800 to 23,000 CFM. Our unique design and modularity allows us to meet a lot of our customers' needs while keeping our lead times short and our prices competitive.
The technology that sets VTS apart from other manufacturers is going to be our casing. Our casing is very unique in the way that we use a baked foam that allows us to use less materials but still exceed the generic engineering specifications, thus saving money. VTS America team is fantastic in the sense that we all have our own dedicated teams per individual projects. Being a family-owned company, here we wear a lot of hats and we're always single goal oriented. What VTS customers can expect is an industry-leading lead time. They received unmatched support from their teams and ultimately a price point that cannot be matched without sacrificing any quality.
VTS has given us Thermal Resource Solutions an exceptional tool to use. VTS is unique in the fact that they provide exceptional lead times, exceptional price point, exceptional quality in their product.
What makes VTS America one of the world's greatest companies is its people. From the very supportive ownership, going through the people that we work with every day, very talented individuals, to the family that we have here in VTS America.